So it's like 4 in the morning. It's 4 in the morning, and I wrote all this fucking code on my laptop. Oh, okay, man, not the code on the right side. No, I wrote all this code. It's not perfect, but it works fucking great so far. And yeah, so it's about 713 lines of code. Obviously this could be reduced. It's just written in such a way that it's somewhat easy to read, even though it's probably really hard to read. But I finished writing a demo program. I finished doing some animations, just, you know, a couple to get it going. So you have to power it with an external 5 volts, because this keyboard, it can use more than 500 milliamps that a standard USB port can output. My laptop does 2 amps on the output because these are like super speed charger ports, but my desktop does not like doing anything higher than 500 milliamps. But if you plug this keyboard in into like not a computer, into just like one of these, or like a phone charger, a USB phone charger, it goes into a demo mode. And you can also force demo mode by pressing the FN key while it boots. So since there's no USB on this little banana charger, it'll automatically run demo mode. So I'm going to try to get this in one-handed. That's a little hard. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Well, actually, you know what? Fuck it, I can run it. So I'm gonna plug it back into my laptop through the external power thing that I made. So here it is booting up. So when you press the function key, these light up because these are the different options for the configuration of the keyboard, and these are just volume. So if I press page down, volume goes down, page up. Pause break is to mute it. Now if I press caps lock key is lit. It's a lot brighter on the camera, but it's not really that bright in real life. So let's turn that off. So if you press function and up, it goes into blade and soul mode, which is the common key bindings for blade and soul. Press it up again, Overwatch, up again, Tetris, and this is Hacksaw mode. So this is just, you know, regular typing, and F5 and F8 for your, you know, your compile and execute commands. And then, you know, everything that's blue is basically navigation, all pink is regular typing stuff. Yeah, it's fully customizable. So let's set this back to normal, set the colors. So the person who's this keyboard is going to is Gyrochi. She likes the color pink, so, you know, most of the colors are pink. So that's just solid pink. Let's do FN again. And then this is the rainbow effect. So it just strobes through the rainbow. And then here's the plasma effect. So it does the entire rainbow within the matrix. And then just a really dumb one, which is just drops, so random colors. And then you can actually run your matrices or your presets at the same time. So those will still be there. So that's less useful when it's all running like that. So Right now we have it Plasma and Tetris. Let's do Plasma and Blade and Soul. Obviously you wouldn't fucking play a game like this because you can't even tell anymore. But, I mean, yeah, if you do like Plasma and I could Blade and Soul and Pink, then that's pretty usable. So, yeah, awesome keyboard. And then obviously if I unplug this, all of the settings are stored in the EEPROM memory. Oh, and if I want to change brightness, so let's do something a little bit complicated. Let's turn it off and let's set it to Plasma. So if you hit caps lock and you do the function keys, only those change, see? So let's actually change it to stock. Do caps lock, function, and see how only those two are lit. And if I turn off caps lock, the whole thing is lit. So let's turn it back on. And then we do function. Then you can actually, so we're changing the brightness. So let's go into pink, and let's turn on caps lock, and we'll just and yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Full build up kind of explanation and how I made this, well, really poorly edited, will be out soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching.